Okay, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is the Brasam circle drawing derivation. I'm getting a gut feeling that this will come in exam. That's why I'm giving more interest to this, and I'm coming back to this class again and again. So we have to understand which one is the nearby pixel, and then you can read this out. So I will go from these are those octants and 45 degrees and all. You already know that. Then we have, this is the quadrant and these are the octants, the couple of octants we have, and our problem is to draw an arc from here to here, rest the 7 things we have. And here, this is the guy which I would like to talk about. Now, call it as P1, huh? This is N and S. Okay, call it as P2, whatever. So is it P1 or P2? Should I go for the P1 or P2? This depends upon whether D1 is lesser or this D2 is lesser. The distance D1 is lesser or distance D2 is lesser. Whichever is lesser, we will take that pixel. So if I take P1 pixel, the X will increment, Y will stay like that. Now here it is K plus 1 and the K. We used I instead of K. So wherever I used I, now in this there is a K, okay, because I didn't make it, it is already there, so I only formalized it. So this is K plus 1, okay. So that means if इससे पहले x of k था or y of k था, the next will be x of k plus 1, y of k plus 1, but y doesn't change for this. And for this guy, if P2, the y becomes decrements and x increments, right? Does it make sense? Okay, so we have to choose which one. So we want to derive this, and I'm getting a gut feeling that hopefully this will come in exam, the derivation of it. Okay, algorithm I have given, program is already, I will send you that. So we have to decide, should I take the because at the p pixel there's the xk yk will be the coordinates. Then we move further and we have to draw that octet and all, you know already that thing. So whichever is the shortest, d1 or d2, that will be our next pixel. Okay, so xk plus 1 basically here is x, you know, you are incrementing the k, that actually means x of k plus 1. This is same as here, because we are only incrementing 1. Because say at this position, say at this position and this position, x is 0 and here x is 1. Okay, because we are only incrementing 1. So for this is x of k or x of I, we use it. So now I'm saying x of k, so where k was 0. Now k plus 1 means next, that is k plus 1. It is in fact what the x was, that is 0 plus 1. So I could say it's the x of k plus 1. So whatever the x of k was, that was 0, add 1 to it, that is it becomes 1. If it was, say x was 2, 2 plus 1 becomes 3. So whatever it is x of k plus 1. So this x of k ko jo main plus 1 karta hu, it means next x. So it is x of k plus 1 is same as x of k, the old k plus 1, because I'm incrementing only 1 to whatever the x of k was. That is giving me next x. That's x of k plus 1. You could understand. So for I is equal to 0, I is less than whatever. So I plus plus. When I was 2, now I becomes 3. Okay. So you are, that is like that. X of k plus 1. Now x becomes next x. Okay. Similarly, in case of y, but in case of y, if at this position, say at this position y was something, y is in fact r in our case. Now for this is y of k plus 1, the next y. Okay, if this was y of k, now this is y of k plus 1. For if I go next pixel, this, for this pixel, okay, for this pixel, this is y of k. Okay, and this one is y of k plus 1. But we know all the time when I say y of k minus 1, it actually means y of k minus 1. We decrement the y. It is same as that, because if it was 10, it becomes 9, or it stays like that. Okay, and we know the equation of circle here. If you say it, equation of circle is x square plus y square is equal to r square if h is 0 and k is 0. Okay, because this is x minus h, y minus k. Now if h is 0 and k is 0, then it becomes x square plus y square is equal to r square. And if I say function of the circle, r square goes on this side, it becomes x square plus y square minus r square. Now if we want to say the function at point p1 and function at the point p2, so that is, this was my note. This is my point original point where I am, and my circle is going like this. This is P1 and this is P2. What is the function of at P1? This is what I'm trying to say. What is the function at P1? That is gonna be x square plus y square minus r square, right? X square plus y square minus, what is the x here? X is here, x of k plus 1, right? What is y here? Y is here, y of k only, not k minus 1, right? And if I square it and then minus r square, right? Minus r square becomes this equation from the function, circle function. I get this. So that is here. The function at the P1 is x of k plus 1 because x increments, y doesn't increment, and r stays like that. So what is the function at the P2? When I say P2 here, x is what? Here is x is k plus 1 all the time because increments. But what is y? Y is k minus 1. So here x is k plus 1 and y is k minus 1 and minus r square from the circle equation, this equation, right? Are you getting now? Are you getting this thing? Now we know this is going to be positive, this is going to be negative. Why? Because in this case, your point is outside this circle. So this is going to be more than radius. So when is this going to be more than radius? Because radius is on this side from center to the circle is radius, and your point P1 is outside the circle. So it comes to be positive distance. And for this case, when the pixel is inside the circle, so and it is less than the radius. So when I minus the radius, you're doing minus the radius. Okay. So when you do minus radius, because I know this much is greater than the radius, because this much means the whole distance that I told you the last time, the Pythagoras theorem, the hypotenuse, the whole distance is gonna be greater than radius. So this x, that is this one, xk plus 1 ka whole square plus y ka whole square should be greater than r square, because radius is smaller than the total distance. But in this case, radius is, because point lies inside, because this point lies inside the circle, so radius means total, and your this distance which is up to the P2 is smaller than radius. Okay, so that means radius is bigger. Radius bigger. When you minus it, your smaller minus bigger is going to be negative. So if you choose P2, this will come negative, and if you choose P1, this will come positive. That is why we see the decision variable. We see whether it is greater than 0 or less than 0. If it's less than 0, then we take the P1. If it is greater than 0, that means we are talking about the P2, right? Okay, clear. And we understand this is negative and this will be positive. Now we want to find the decision variable. So decision variable dk. The decision variable gonna be the function of P1 plus function of P2. We add these two and see whether it comes, the decision variable comes to be greater than 0 or less than 0. If it comes less than 0, then I will choose this. That means the negative F2 is bigger. If this is less than 0, dk is less than 0, then who is greater? And depending upon that, we understand this is quite obvious now. You can read it out so that I can go a little bit further for the derivation of it. So we know if it is less than 0, we're going to choose the P1 pixel, and if it's greater than 0, we're going to choose the P2 pixel. This is self-explanatory, and I explained a lot of things, a lot of times now. So I will skip this. You can read it of your own. Now we want to find the d of k. What is going to be the d of k? I am saying d of k is going to be the f of P1 plus f of P2. Function of P1, that is this one, plus this two. So you have to add them together. Okay, add this and this together. So that's what I'm doing here. So I'm adding, I have to add this and this. This is the function of P1 where x is x plus 1, y is k, y doesn't become minus 1, and in this case x is xk plus 1. This becomes, so if we add them together, we know this becomes twice the same. xk plus 1 इसमें भी होता है, xk plus 1 इसमें भी होता है, P1 और P2 दोनों में. So this becomes twice xk plus 1 का whole square. This becomes plus yk square plus yk minus 1 square, and minus r square becomes minus twice r square. So that will be our equation first when you add them together, right? You are adding what? You are adding, this one is the, where is my note? This one is the function at P2, because here k doesn't decrement, so it is a k2, because our equation is x square plus y square minus r square. X here becomes xk plus 1, increment x, y doesn't increment, r stays like that, and this one is for the P1. where x increments, y decrements, and r2. When you add them together, this xk plus 1 is twice, so becomes twice xk plus 1. Then comes the yk square, then comes this one, sorry, yk minus 1 square, then minus r and minus twice r. This is my equation first. And if I put in it x equals to 0 and y is equal to r, it will give me that I mean the first decay that's here, that's in the decay of 0, that's initial decay. If you want to find the initial decay, so if you put 0 and r in first, okay, so you put this is my first equation first, where xk plus 1 is twice and yk minus 1, okay, and put xk 0 and ykr and solve it. 0 plus 1 ka whole square, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 ka whole square is 1, 1 and 2 is 2, that is 2. Then r square, then r minus 1 ka whole square, that's a square, that's r square, minus twice ab, that is minus twice r, plus b square, that is 1 ka square is 1, minus twice r, that is here. So this becomes here 2 plus 1 is 3, okay, r square plus r square, okay, that is twice r square plus twice r square, and minus twice r square gone, so stays minus 2r stay here. So right, so this is twice r square, and it will cut with this minus 2r square, and 2 plus 1 is 3 and minus 2r, so 3 minus 2r will be our initial. If we put in the equation first, that was my decay, to get the decay of that is a decay, and to get this decay of 0, where x is 0 and y is r. So I got this answer is that first initially you have to create a decision variable equal to 3 minus 2r. Okay, okay, now let us derive the other guys. Hopefully this will be clear because it is written properly now, so there will be no confusion, there should be no confusions, and I will explain each and every bit for you. Now this is my equation first here. Again from equation first we are gonna do whatever we want to do. Now if we want to find the next, for example, I want to find the next, this is my equation first. Okay, I understand where from I got it from the circle equation, x square plus y square minus r square. I did it for p1 also, I did it for p2 also. Okay, x square plus y square minus r square, you can just remember it properly, it's not a big deal to understand. So for p1, x square is xk plus 1, y is yk, r square. For this is x k plus 1 and y is yk minus 1, and then add them together to get this equation, right? Now to find dk plus 1, we want to find the next dk, where I will replace the k now in this equation with k plus 1, because I'm not talking about the k, I'm talking about the k plus 1 now. So let us put the k plus 1 where there is k. Okay, I'm putting k plus 1 where there is k. So here is k, okay, I will put k plus 1. Here is k, I put k plus 1. Here is k, I am putting k plus 1. So I'm replacing k with k plus 1 because I'm going to the next iteration. Okay, so if you solve it up, twice k plus 1 plus 1 ka square, this is yk plus, this is yk plus 1 minus 1 ka square minus 2r. This is a repetition of it. Okay, now we will replace, because we know xk plus 1 is actually equal to x of k plus 1. I have explained this earlier also. Okay, so I can replace x of k plus 1 with x of k plus 1, because I know I'm incrementing only 1 to the x. But I can't do it with the y because I don't know should I do it or should I not do it. So this will be my general equation. I don't know should I do it or not, but x of k I can do it. So I can have a general equation second for both cases, because in both cases x of k is incrementing. X of k plus 1 actually is x of k plus 1, which can be written as x of k plus 1. So I am doing that. I am writing instead of x of k plus 1, I am saying x of k plus 1. So I'm plus 1 here. So such that it becomes plus 2. So it becomes x of k plus 2. Okay, for y of k, I can't do anything. I'm writing it same way. I'm writing it same. Okay, this is my equation second here. This is equation second. Okay, now to find the decision parameter of next pixel, dk plus 1, you have to subtract the second with the first, because dk plus 1 minus dk will give you the next decision parameter, because dk plus 1 is this one. Okay, but here if I subtracted the first one, which was my dk, okay, this is my dk. As you could see, I can write here, this is the dk, this is the dk. Oh, I don't know, it's not writing properly. I will write it with the a note. This is my dk. Okay, so equation first is my dk, and equation second is my dk plus 1. So how I get the answer now? Subtract the two. Subtract this guy, second equation, with the first equation. So I'm subtracting the second equation with the first equation. This is my first equation, this is my second equation. Okay. Now it is only to solve it now. It's very simple, simple mathematics now. You can have it, and also the note there in front and video in front of you. You should be able to do it now. A note. Now what I'm doing is here, this is a plus b ka whole square. We know a plus b ka whole square is gonna be equal to, if I calculate for this one, x of k plus 2 ka whole square. This is gonna be x of k ka square plus twice ab, that is 2 into 2 into xk, that is 4 times xk, plus b ka square, that is 2 ka square. Okay, na? That is what is done here, but then it is multiplied by 2 also. This multiply by 2. This is a plus b ka whole square multiplied by 2. Now you multiply by 2 it, okay, then it becomes twice x of k. This becomes 2 into 4 is 8 x of k plus 4, right? That is what is here written, twice x of k square. Okay, because this is a ka, this will be a ka square, huh? A square plus twice ab plus b square. B square because 2 ka square becomes 4. So this is 4 here, sorry. Okay, because when I solve it, this is xk square plus twice ab, 2 into a into b. This is a, this is b. So 2 into a means xk, b is 2, that's 2 to 4 times xk, plus 2 ka square, that is 4. Now multiply with the 2. 2 times x square, 2, that is 2 times x of k ka square, plus 2 into 4 is 8 times x of k, plus 2 times 4, 2 to 4 is 8. So this will be here. As you could see, 8 times x of k plus 8. So this is the solution of this one. I got it from here to here. Now y of k plus 1 ka whole square. Similarly, this is y of k plus 1 ka whole square. It is not solved here yet, but we can solve it. Plus this ka whole square, y of k plus 1 minus 1 ka whole square. No, it's solved actually. It's solved. They have solved. This much is solved. So what is y of k plus 1 ka whole square is same way. It's not like this, because I have not written it y of k plus 1. Okay, it is simply it is y of k plus 1 ka whole square. So it is not a 2a plus b, it is only a. So I don't have to evaluate it. It is same as here. Now this one need to be evaluated. This is y of k plus 1 minus 1 ka whole square. Let us do it for this one now. Clear? Okay, now this one, this is y of k minus 1 minus 1 ka whole square. Now for this a is y of k minus 1, for this b is this. So this is a square, that is y of k minus 1 ka square plus twice ab. So 2 into 1, that is 2. A is y of k minus 1 and b is 1 into 1, that is same. Minus, it should be minus, minus b square plus b square. A square minus twice ab plus b square. B is 1, 1 ka square is 1 only. So that will be y of k minus 1 ka square, that is this guy, minus twice yk plus 1 and plus 1 of this. So that is here, and minus 2 are the same. Okay, so I got this evaluated. Now is the time of this guy. Same is this one. If you evaluate y x of k plus 1 ka whole square, that is x of k square plus twice xk plus 1 square, then multiply it with 2, you get twice xk, minus 4xk, 2 into 1 is 2, minus 2. Now yk will be here, y of k minus 1, again this is a minus b ka whole square. So solve it to y of k square, twice y minus k plus twice r. Okay, okay. Now if you simply see what's happening, this is 2 times xk square, okay, and I am getting here 4 times xk. So that means this twice xk square is cutting with someone. So let us see, is it cutting? Firstly this one, now this one is the wrong here. Yeah, it is wrong here because this is when you solve this one, this is xk ka square, because this is, if you solve this one, x of k plus 1 ka whole square, what is this equal to? A square, that is x of k ka square plus twice ab, that is x of k plus 1. Okay, and multiply it with this 2, the front 2, that is twice x of k ka square plus twice 2 into 2 is 4 times what is that, x of k plus 2. So twice x of k ka, this is square. Okay, it is missing here, it's misprint. It's 4 of x of k. It is it a plus b or a minus b? It's a plus b, so it is plus 2. Then you apply the minus sign, this minus sign to everybody. जो भी plus होगा यहाँ पे वो minus बनेगा, जो minus होगा वो plus बनेगा, because you are giving that minus sign, this minus sign. ठीक है, इसलिए ये minus sign दिया हुआ है, तो ये plus था ये minus बनेगा, ये plus था ये minus बनेगा, ये plus था ये minus बनेगा, इसमें भी जो plus थे वो minus बनेंगे, ठीक है ना, और जो अगर कहीं पर माइनस होगा वो प्लस बनेगा. सो फिलहाल यहाँ पे मिस्टेक है, यहाँ पे 2 है, ठीक है ना, तो ये कट जाएगा. 8 में से 4 निकलेगा तो 4x बचेगा, ठीक है. यू कैन कैलकुलेट योरसेल्फ. 8 में से 2 बचेगा तो ये 6 बच गए यहाँ पे, और फिर yk प्लस 1 का स्क्वायर है, और ये yk प्लस 1 का स्क्वायर, दैट इज ट्वाइस yk प्लस 1 स्क्वायर, दैट इज हियर, माइनस ट्वाइस yk प्लस 1, दैट इज हियर. ओके, माइनस 2r और प्लस 2r भी खत्म हो जाएगा, ये प्लस 1 माइनस 1 भी खत्म हो जाएगा, और ये 2yk माइनस है, और माइनस ट्वाइस yk, और ये यहाँ पे ट्वाइस माइनस ट्वाइस yk, ये बच गया यहाँ पे, ठीक है. ओके, ये कहाँ से आया, ये ट्वाइस yk स्क्वायर, दैट इज हियर इज yk स्क्वायर 1, and there must be other one here to make it twice yk square. Okay, you have to recalculate this and see if it comes to this or not. So let me clear the clutter and see, clear all drawings. So ये और ये यहाँ पे square है, ये दो कटेंगे, ठीक है, because this is the यहाँ पे प्लस 8xk प्लस 8 में से 4 निकलेंगे तो 4k बचेगा, 8 में से 2 बचेगा, ये 6. y of k plus 1 का स्क्वायर इज देयर, एंड y of k plus 1 का स्क्वायर तो ट्वाइस y of k plus 1 निकलेगा हमारे पास, दैट इज दिस गाय, ट्वाइस y of k plus 1 का स्क्वायर. देन यहाँ पे है ट्वाइस, जुनैदा शौकत अब आ रही है, अब इसको क्या समझ आएगा. देन ट्वाइस y of k plus 1 यहाँ पर है. ओके, माइनस 1 ये और ये कट जाएंगे इनके साथ. ओके, दिस इज प्लस ट्वाइस yk. ओके, दिस वन, दिस इज प्लस नॉट माइनस, दिस इज प्लस हियर, इसमें थोड़ी सी मिस्टेक है. एंड दिस इज माइनस ट्वाइस yk प्लस 1, दैट इज दिस वन. आई थिंक ये वाला कहाँ से आया, कैन यू सी इट? आई थिंक दिस वन इज लिटिल मिस्टेक. कैन यू वॉच इट प्रॉपरली? मुझे लगता कि ये ट्वाइस yk स्क्वायर, ट्वाइस yk स्क्वायर ये हो गया इसका, ये आ गया यहाँ पे. अच्छा, ये इसने ये वाला लिखा है फिर यहाँ पे, हाँ ठीक है, ये हुआ ट्वाइस yk स्क्वायर माइनस, और ये माइनस ट्वाइस yk प्लस 1, ये यहाँ पर आ गया, और ये ट्वाइस yk यहाँ पर, ठीक है सारा, और प्लस 6 बाकी कट गया. just check it out. So if we want to find the d of k plus 1 now, you have to add d of k to the previous, to the, this is a new one, okay, and you have to add d of k to it, the previous d of k. Now if the d of k is less than 0, now if the d of k is what, less than 0, then x of k become x of k plus 1, and y of k will stay as a y of k. So wherever there is y of k plus 1, you will keep it as y of k. क्योंकि x of k plus 1 के लिए हमने काम किया है, तब जाके तो हमें इक्वेशन सेकंड आ गई थी ना, क्योंकि हमने x of k के बदले x of k plus 1 दिया था. लेकिन y of k में हमने डिसीजन लेना था कि अगर जनाब d of k 0 से लेस है, तब हम y of k plus 1 को y of k ही कर देंगे, और अगर d k ग्रेटर देन 0 है तो y of k को हम y of k plus 1 कर देंगे. तो यहाँ पे फिलहाल अगर हमारे पास लेस देन 0 है, तो जहां जहां y of k plus 1 है, मैं वहां पे y of k कर दूंगा, ठीक है. आई विल गो फॉर y of k फॉर दैट, ठीक. एक second, let me clear this and go down. So what does that mean is, I am saying technically that wherever there is y of k plus 1, I change it with y of k. X of k plus 1 kahin pe hoga nahi, because I have solved that. That is why I came here after giving the x of k plus ऊपर, y of k minus 1 मैंने नहीं दिया था. अब जो y of k plus 1 जो बचा है, उसके लिए मैंने यहाँ पर y of k दिया, क्योंकि अगर मेरा dk लेस देन 0 है, तो उसको जब मैं इसमें डाल रहा हूँ, ये भी k, ये भी k, ये भी k, जहां जहां k plus 1 था, इन दो जगह मैंने इनकी जगह y of k plus 1 की जगह y of k दिया, इसको भी दे दिया और इसको भी दे दिया. ठीक है. सो ये क्या बचा यहाँ पे, ये बन गया ट्वाइस वाई के स्क्वायर, ओके, और प्लस वाई के स्क्वायर, ये खत्म हो जाएगा. 4 टाइम्स एक्स के यहाँ पर है, ओके, और हाँ यहाँ पे एक गड़बड़ था ना, यहाँ पे एक ही प्लस है, प्लस ट्वाइस वाई के, ये और ये खत्म हो जाएगा और रहेगा कुल मिला के डी के प्लस 4x के प्लस 6. जस्ट चेक आउट दिस साइन, ऊपर ये साइन देखना, ये प्लस एक है, एक माइनस है. अब इस सूरत में कि जब मेरे पास अगर डी के, अगर पुराना डी के मुझे निकला लेस देन ग्रेटर देन 0, तो आई नो फॉर द दिस थिंग आई हैव टू डू k minus 1. ठीक है ना, जहां पर भी k plus 1 होगा वहां k minus 1, और x है k plus 1, वो मैं सॉल्व कर चुका हूं, इसके लिए मुझे काम अब करने की जरूरत नहीं है, अब y के लिए काम करना है. तो जहां जहां मुझे इस इक्वेशन थर्ड में, अब जहां जहां y k plus 1 है, वहां मैं लगाऊंगा y of k minus 1. ठीक है, और इस सूरत में मुझे पता है कि y of k minus 1 एक्चुअली इज इक्वल टू y of k minus 1. देखें एक सेकेंड, ये देखें कि मुझे पता है कि y of k minus 1 की जगह लिख सकता हूं मैं y of k minus 1. So that is what I am doing. I am using y of k minus 1. जहां पे y of k minus 1 है, I am putting it as y of k minus 1. Now I solve it again. It's a square minus b square, okay, and it comes like this. That is twice yk square plus 2 minus 4yk, twice ab करके ना ये आ गया. तो उसमें जो प्लस yk square है माइनस yk square gone, ओके, ये प्लस xk है 4 टाइम्स xk, ये यहाँ पर आएगा. अब माइनस 4 टाइम्स yk यहाँ पर आएगा. Now this is plus 2 and 6 plus 2, that is 6 plus 4 is 10, and इसमें भी गड़बड़ है एक साइन का, एक प्लस एक माइनस है, ये yk और yk खत्म हो जाएगा. सो कुल मिला के मुझे बचेगा dk प्लस 4 टाइम्स xk, 4 टाइम्स xk माइनस 4 टाइम्स yk प्लस 10. इसको 4 कॉमन निकालूंगा, xk माइनस yk प्लस 10 निकलेगा if I have dk greater than 0. So this is my formula derivation, and if I have a dk less than 0, then my formula is upstairs, not upstairs, upside. That is this one, 4xk plus 6. And if it is initial, then I need to go for down. Here, that is 3 minus 2r. Okay, this is how we have derived all the formulas here. Okay, hopefully you got it. You just put up the pen and pencil. There is nothing else other than the circle formula. Okay, there is only one thing, that is circle formula, that is x square plus y square minus r square. Then you see what is at p1, the circle function, what is at p2, the circle function, then add them together to get the first equation. Okay, then solve it for x of k plus 1, solve it for that to get the equation second. Okay, and after that, if you want to find a dk, then subtract the second minus first equation. Okay, and after that you choose for the y. If your dk is less than 0, then choose wherever there is yk plus 1, substitute is as a yk. And if it is greater than 0, it is for the less than 0. If it is greater than 0, then wherever there is y of k plus 1, substitute it is y of k minus 1, and that will be equal to y of k minus 1, minus on the top. And what you do is you use the pen and pencil. There is only these squares, a square plus b square. If there is a plus b ka whole square, that's going to be a square plus twice ab plus b square. But if it is a minus b ka whole square, that's going to be a square minus twice ab plus b square. Only thing is that, remember that. Okay, and one more step you have to do is when you have to put up the sign, minus sign, then there was the minus between the two. When you're doing the minus between the two, then what was that? That was, no, on the down. Yes, when I'm subtracting the second from the third here, this minus sign, you have to give this minus sign to everybody. So inside, whichever is positive becomes minus and minus becomes positive. There's one mistake on it because it has, this is plus 2yk here. Just change it and see it first using your pen and pencil, and hopefully, I think this time around, it should be done. Any questions? If you are not sleeping, just go through this video again, use pen and pencil, and hopefully you will get it. Okay. See you next time. Masalama. Now, once again, first I'll need to take that. Are you getting this or not? I will take a one screenshot for this. Even though I don't need it because I have already given one class. So 2 class doesn't make sense in our college, right? What does that mean? I'm putting the video on the recorder, okay? And you can just see it again if you have doubts. Okay, Allah Hafiz.